Let's take a look at February in terms of both precip and temperatures. First and foremost, up until this most recent rainstorm, we were looking at a top 5 dry February of all time. In fact, at one point, it looks like it might have been the top 2, the second driest February of all time. But that was not to be until the last couple of days here, which tacked on about half of this, finished around 2.5 inches of rain. Still on the whole a dry month. Only 7.6 inches of snow. That too was below average. And in terms of temperatures, 2.5 degrees warmer than average. Our warmest high temperature that was back on the 10th, earlier in the month at 57. Our coldest lows, both the 18th and the 25th, tied, dropping down to 16 degrees. As we look ahead to the month of March here, all signals point to it being warmer than average. Does that mean we can't get a cold shot of air here and there? No, but on the whole, we are certainly looking likely to be above average in terms of temperatures. And it is looking like a wet start to the month. For southern New England, we've got slightly wetter than average monthly signals. It's not, you see the gray here, sort of an average or not strong signal looking ahead here for, again, northern New England. But when you talk about the early portions of March, everybody is looking wet. This is through the first week of March, and certainly we have several chances of showers in the 7-day forecast. Dry out there this evening, had a couple of little maybe snowflakes drift on by this afternoon, but other than that, it was a day of sun and clouds, just cold and windy out there. Still cold into tomorrow, but the wind will finally give way, and a pretty decent afternoon for the first day of the month. As we head into the weekend, this is a storm system we're watching. Right now, Saturday looks to be the weather of the 2 days, and there will be some dry hours on Saturday morning. So let's just jump through Friday here. Nice day tomorrow, mostly sunny, cold morning, mild afternoon, or it's seasonably chilly, I guess you could call it. It depends. A lot of people's thresholds, 45, is it chilly? Is it mild? It's kind of in between, but a pretty nice day tomorrow. As we go into tomorrow night and into Saturday morning, clouds will increase. By around lunchtime, we'll start to see some light to moderate rain developing, overspreading the area. And then as we head into Saturday evening, early Saturday night, we could see some briefly heavy rain across the area here. Something to keep in mind if you're going to be out and about during those hours. But it is looking like a drier trend for Sunday, which is good news. As we look at the rain forecast, that heavy burst of rain late on Saturday could bring another inch or two to the area. We'll keep an eye on the rivers, but as of now, no flood threat for them. And then as we go into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we are going to see a continued showery pattern here. This low sort of hangs up offshore here Tuesday into Wednesday, and then we've got another front off to the west that's going to set up and likely bring showers to the region. We call it showers. I don't think we're looking at washout after washout here, but we have to have that chance almost every day as we look towards next week. But look how warm the temperatures are. Again, 45 tomorrow, Saturday will be at 52 with that afternoon and evening rain. Sunday looking, again, mostly cloudy, but on the drier side. So again, it's not a washout of a weekend. Monday, mostly cloudy, 52. And then as we head into the midweek, it does look to be damp at times, but temperatures very mild.